Ancient Chinese legend claims this fruit was created thousands of years ago by a dragon in battle who blew a burst of fire containing the fruit. Look for a fruit that is uniform in color and slightly soft. Avoid a hard dragon fruit or one that has soft spots or a brown stem. Avoid shriveled, dry-looking dragon fruit, as they'll also be overripe. I'm using the F&N Sharp Santoku knife as it's great with many fruits and vegetables. You can also use a chef's knife, utility, or paring knife. This one is a bit overripe as it should have a bright white center studded with all those little black seeds. You can simply cut this fruit in half and using a spoon out the flesh and enjoy. Or you can cut it into bits. You can cut down the outside peel as it's inedible. You can cut it in half, cut it into wedges, and you'll see shortly here that you can either take a spoon or run your thumb underneath the flesh in between the peel and it just slips right off. So what does this fruit taste like anyways? Well, some say that it tastes like a combination of kiwi and pear. It's a very light melon flavor, where some say it's pretty bland, especially for how exotic it looks. Dragon fruit is full of vitamins and nutrients and offers potentially disease-fighting antioxidants. It probably come as no surprise that eating this fruit on a regular basis can have a positive influence on your health and wellness. Slice into wedges, pieces, or cubes. Enjoy.